London, 1 million, and the South East, 940,000, had the most private sector businesses, accounting for 35% of the UK business population. The North East had the lowest private sector businesses of any English region with just 152,000. The stats in this video are from gov.uk Institute of Directors. For further information and to make your business a success, look out for our workshops and webinars. Accountancy Place A1 St Business 01612860832. info@accountancyplace.co.uk